Hi Ravi,
Hello, sir.
what is your demo today?
Uh, sir, my today's demo is install Flask application, uh, install application on Azure using Docker.
Okay. Docker image you are creating plus
Yes,
image
okay.
basically in
Yes,
Azure VM.
yes.
Okay, please proceed.
Thank you, sir. Uh, my name is Ravi Kangne. I'm from non-IT background. I belong from Pune. This is my LinkedIn ID. Uh, and this demo is done through a job coaching. My coach is Shanti Kumar V. This is my coach LinkedIn ID and this is my coach website. So this is demo 6. My today's demo is as a developer, I want to containerize a Flask application and deploy it to Azure using Docker so that I can ensure portability, scalability, and efficient cloud-based application hosting. So my next slide is user requirement. What is user requirement says? User requirement of this use cases is to create and deploy a Flask application inside a Docker container and the host it to an Azure virtual machine. This deployment process will allow easy scaling and portability of the application while utilizing Docker containerization capabilities and Azure infrastructure. So this is the process I'm trying to show in my picture diagram. Deploy Flask application on Azure virtual machine. Validate deployment. Check the application is running correctly. Push the Docker image to Docker Hub. Upload image to Docker Hub. Set up and Docker environment. Install Docker and configure. Deploy on Azure virtual machine. Run the Docker container on Azure. Create Docker image. Build the Docker image from the app. Create a Flask application. Develop a Flask app code. So this is my user requirement. My next slide is user story. As a developer, I want to containerize a Flask application using Docker and deploy it to Azure so that I can ensure the application runs consistently across different environments, scales efficiently with increased traffic, and leverage Azure's cloud infrastructure for high availability and performance. The Flask application deploy strategy is to cloud perform for deployment and scalability and containerize the application for consistency and the core application to be deployed. My next slide is demo objective. The demo aims to showcase the process of containerizing a Flask application using Docker and deploying it to an Azure virtual machine. It highlights containerization, Docker image management, and cloud deployment and demonstrate application accessibility and scalability. The goal is to illustrate an efficient, reusable workflow for cloud-based application hosting. Cloud deployment workflow shows in picture diagram, containerization, Docker image management, cloud deployment, cloud-based application hosting. So I give AI prompt. My AI prompt is I need to create this Docker process. These are the data steps. So the steps are the first steps is create a Docker image for a Flask application on your local machine. Second, upload the Docker image to your Docker Hub account. Third, access the Docker image from an Azure virtual machine. Four, open the Docker image on the Azure virtual machine and demonstrate its usage. Deploy Flask application on Azure. Upload to the Docker Hub. Uploading the Docker images to Docker Hub. Accessing the Docker image from Azure virtual machine. Run the Docker image. Running the Docker image on Azure virtual machine. The task to be performed is set up a Flask application, prepare application dependencies, create Docker file, build and test Docker image. Fifth one, upload Docker image to Docker Hub. Provision Azure virtual machine, deploy Docker container on Azure virtual machine, and verify application accessibility. These are the some screenshot when I practice first. and this screenshot shows how I going to perform practically. And this is here to see a flask, and this is my coach page. This is the WhatsApp number of my coach, and also you call him on this number. So now I perform practically. First, first I check the I created for this correct or not. Yes, here you see Docker file apply requirement text. Now I create uh, I build application here. I giving the name him as demo one. Demo one. It's running now. Okay, it's running currently. Now I run the Docker. Okay, now I see the Docker images. Here you see this is showing my Docker images. Demo one. Now I going to log in Docker. Login succeeded. First I copy my image ID to in my notepad. It's easy to me to process. Okay, then I tagging the Docker tag. Is the set demo one latest. Now I push the Docker. It's pushing now. Okay, it's showing the latest digest. Now I go into the virtual machine and create virtual machine. I create a one resource group and give the virtual machine name. Now I enter the password. I enter username. Then enter password. I confirm the password. Both password are correct, and now I select the ports. HTTP 80. Click on view and create. You see here, it's a creating virtual machine, running the validation. Validation is passed. Here I check Now I am going to the terminal. First, I select the networking port. Here and check where is the now first I check the virtual machines also. There is virtual machine and I'm giving network setting. Side inbound port. Inbound port 8080. Select here and adding a inbound port. It's inbound port is done. Now I'm going to a terminal. First I copy my IP address in my notepad. Yes, it's I enter my password here. Now I run my first command. My first command is sudo get app update. My first command is running. So update the command. My second command is to install Docker. I running this command after the first command completed. The first command completed. Now I install the Docker. Just installing the Docker. Then my next command to start Docker. It's my first command is the next scanning. So now I run my next command to start Docker. And the next command to enable the Docker. Okay. Now the next command is sudo docker image to pull the image. Okay, now my next command to run the Docker. Okay, so it's running the Docker. Yes, sir, you see it's showing the Flask. So can you check now? I could copy my IP address in chat. So you also check. Showing plus all.
Yes, it's appearing. Yes.
Now you see here, I created my image as a demo one 7 minutes ago. Okay,
Yes. Yes, yes. So you can
so
show.
it's my yes. Yes, I stopped recording and I completed my demo successfully.